All right, let's drive to the hotel. Oh, I gotta clean my windows.
Uncle Samuel, you're gonna be our cameraman.
Feel free to show anything you want.
Uncle Samuel, you're gonna be our cameraman.
It's that hot start life.
Uncle Samuel, you're
Wide
our
open.
cameraman. Okay.
Oh, that's too much.
Okay, Uncle Samuel.
Yeah, me too.
You're a camera.
Everyone's just revving and she's fuel injected. Windows up. I guess I should go ahead. Boy, they're so shiny, those two. Yeah, I saw those cats earlier. There's a black one too.
That cat right there wants to make a circle. Another circle inside of it.
See, that's us choking on fumes. She'll spit them out.
Going fast.
Wow, dude. Oh, they weren't even looking. We can show behind us. You can hold it with one hand. It's hey.
Whoa! You got that low seat. You got that low seat.
Carolina. Push the two. Oh my. Got 3 more minutes.
Is that what it says?
Welcome to Gettysburg. Again. Check out that sign. This is not the same hotel, is it?
When we're
Where is this
in.
taking us?
It's the same hotel.
This is not. This is the window?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I guess I got used to the other route.
It always takes us that way.
I see it.
Oh shit. Watch though.
What is he doing? What is he doing? He's trying to get around us. first sight, or should I drive by again? I guess I'm going a little too slow for those four bangers. Okay, we're gonna see a lot of cool cars here, so feel free to.
Peruse.
Oh, another 164! Oh, two 164s! Three 164s! Or is that's a 142?
Those are cool. It looks just like.
Roll your window down. Do you see them?
Where you want to park?
Do you see the 164s?
Yeah, it's Wild Dog.
Yeah, she looks so much like Leo.
Another one. Is it? Oh, is it 3 or just 2?
Oh, there's 3. Oh, well, I'm number 3. Hello.
And Daddy's number 4.
Somebody.
Wait, is Daddy one?
Oh, this is so cool. Oh, I don't know if it's a good idea to be so close to another clean one. Just to make me look ugly.
I like that burgundy color. I like that burgundy color on that one. It looks nice.
Burgundy, yeah. I'm gonna take this. Thanks. Okay, first of all, what? Second of all, what? Hot didgeridoo dog. Hello, somebody. Would you look at this gem? Oh. What do you think?
Nice car.
You think it's a nice car, Austin? I am just loving on this. That's awesome, man. That's really cool. And is this Joel's? This is Joel's. Wow. What a day. Look at this. Oh. What? This has got to be a 73. Yep, 73. This is Jose and Susan LeBoy. Wow. Gotta say thank you to Samuel for holding the camera. Oh my goodness, this is the color right here. Hey, thanks for holding the camera, man.
Oh yeah, man.
Oh, okay, well, we're gonna talk a lot more about these tomorrow, but at least we have something for now. Oh, it's got the GT cluster and overdrive. Oh, this one's nice. This one's real nice. Is that a dashboard cover? Yes, sir, it is. Well, time to break out the polishing wheel. We got some cleaning to do. This is why I want to polish my car, dude. That thing is so mint. It's so nice.
Yeah, but you have.
Yeah, but California.
Hey, did you see the burgundy?
No, that's your line. That's your line.
Yeah.
This is great, man. All right, so I'm going to send this video to as another Patreon update for y'all. Hope you're enjoying.